Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to do another layout for my She's Crafty Kit series where I'm playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life. 30 days of sketches and it's series 13, I believe. So I've done a complete unboxing with all of these products, but I thought I would do a flip through so you can see what I'm looking at working with. And here you see we're on day 4. That's the sketch I am using. So now let's just jump right into it and see what we can come up with. Now, I've got this picture, and both people are facing to the left. So I definitely want to have my main photo kind of vibe going on that left side. And I'm going to just start layering up all of the things. Guys, I'm still getting used to this new Tim Holtz trimmer. So far, I really like it. The big thing I'm waiting to find out is how long the blades, yes, I know how to say words, how long the blades last, because they're not super inexpensive. I bet at some point we're going to start finding sales on them, but I'm really hoping it lasts forever. We'll see. I don't know, but so far it's feeling good. So I'm starting to layer up these pieces. I am trying to pay at least halfway decent attention to the sketch while, reimagining all of these kits in these papers in a different way. You guys saw that I took apart all kinds of kits from a kit club that I had previously crafted with, and then I decided I was going to put them into new kits and see where it would take me. And so far, I am liking it. I'm having fun with it. So that is all good. I am happy with it. So we have this kind of gray, black, and kind of a mustard colored vibe here. And this piece here, I'm going to go ahead and cut, and I'm going to make a fishtail banner with it, with, concentrating on kind of that golden, dirty linen kind of a color with it. Just going to do a really quick banner. I don't, care that much if it's super straight, super even. And guys, we're just having fun with paper. Let's just have fun. All right, so I have that. Now I will be spending some time, on that sketch, it had like 2 little tags, and I'm like, great, I've got these little envelope-y things that I had put in with this kit, so it's perfect. I've got this camp word, I've got a wood cut, and I've got this really big piece. I'm like, what am I gonna do with that? I find a way to make it work, but I was a little confused at first with what I wanted to do. I'll map my photo in white as well as this nice dark color. And then I started cutting up all of these bits and pieces that were on this cut apart that you see by P13. And I'm going to spend some time fussy cutting them up and, kind of stacking them up and getting some dimension. I'm going to go with Go Live Today for my title. I have had those stickers forever. I feel like they might be Dear Lizzie. I'm not quite sure, but I've had them forever. I'm sure it says it right down there. Who knows? So I'll put it there. The title is on the one side on our sketch, but I just flip-flopped everything. So I do have some fairly decent placement with everything. I have a lot of it stuck down. My title's stuck down. The East Tawas on the left, which was the location, is stuck down. Now I need to get these bits and pieces popped up on some foam tape. So guys, I wanted to check in. I know I've been doing voiceover stuff, but I have all of these pieces down. I have to finish getting some of the tape off of my wood piece. That's not down. But I started looking, now that I have these pieces kind of locked in, I started looking at some leftover die cuts from previous layouts, and I thought I'd see if there's anything that would work. Grateful for you would work, but anything that would work. So I have this little fun sign, and I think I'll go ahead and just pop that maybe right here. That would be cute. So really, I'm just going through and seeing if there's anything I can use. Not really bringing in much of this navy, but if I have this, and that's blue, if I find one more little blue thing, I could bring it in. So really, I am just seeing if there's anything else I can use. And this is pretty much the method or the plan for Fave Local Spot, for these layouts. Look at, oh man, that color's right. It's just not what I need. So yeah, just do the layouts, right? And then see if there's anything else you can use from the stash, because why not? You paid for it, right? So we have Eat, Sleep, Camp. Well, I can, if I put good stuff here, I could put this up here. So we'd have blue in 3 places. And then, I don't know, guys, is there even a spot? There's really not a spot. But I like the idea of getting more in. So let's work on this. Let's work on it. Let's put this back here. We have blue there and we have blue there. I think that's what we're gonna do because I like it. Okay, perfect. I'm gonna get those pieces in. I'm gonna get this removed. Then what I thought I would do, I've got a bunch of these half plasticky things and they look just like this to me. So I was like, let's see, is there something that we can do? And I was thinking, like, what if we just line a bunch of these bits up in some areas? So if I have 3 there, maybe I can do 3. Oh, I can fit 2 there. And then maybe 3 here. Would that be cool, guys? Like 1, 2, 3 here. So I'll pop those on. I like that. It lets me use a number of them when I haven't used them before. I have to pop on my enamel dots and then I'll see about a couple of sequins. But guys, these sequins, I actually thought I would get so much further than I already have. And I know this is only my 4th layout. I have got to get some frames or something to make some shaker pockets. I haven't run across them, but going forward, if there's something I can shake, it's going to be shaking. So that will be it for this layout. Like I said, I just have a couple things I have to tack down. I'll have some still shots to follow, guys, and I'll see you guys ever so soon with another video. Still shots right there.